Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the next video of a coordinate geometry class. Today we will discuss locus and how to find its equation. In the previous class we discussed about some proof by analytical method. Okay, so before starting, first we start Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So locus and how to find its equation. Locus means the path or a curve traced by a point under some condition. Okay, so it is the path or a curve traced by a point some geometrical condition. किसी कंडीशन को नहीं आमे गोटे पॉइंट रो मूवमेंट कराबो पॉइंट रो मूवमेंट हला परे जो से कर्वटा आसीओ जो ट्रेसटा आसीबो ना नहीं दैट इज नोन एज ए लोकस गोटे जेमेट्रिकल फिगरटा तो फिगरटा को हम कहचे लोकस और से पॉइंट रो पाथ टा हम कहचे लोकस. ओके, नाउ वी राइट द पाथ और a curve traced by a point under geometrical condition, under some geometrical condition is called locus. After find its equation is known as locus of its equation. For example, if a point moves in a fixed direction, then the locus of the point is called a straight line. Okay, you know a point moves in a fixed direction, then the set of points is known as a straight line. Okay. Number 2, if a point moves at a constant distance from a fixed point, from a fixed point. Okay, from a fixed point. So what is its locus? This is the fixed point and this is constant distance. Suppose this is the constant distance. So now we find the set of points which are at a constant distance from this fixed point. This point may be here, may be here, may be. So the set of all points. Okay, after joining this point you will get a circular path and the locus of the point is known as a circle. So if a point moves at a constant distance from a fixed point, then its locus is called, then its locus is called circle. Do you understand? it is a circle. Set of points which are equidistant from two fixed points. Okay, so here two fixed points are given. These are two fixed points, one is A and other is B. Now we collect set of points which are equidistant from fixed point A and B. This point is equidistant from A and B. This point also. So these are so its locus is a straight line which are bisect to the line segment joining AB at a right angle. Then the locus of the point is a straight line. That means that line must be a perpendicular bisector. Okay. So the points which are equidistant from two fixed points is a perpendicular bisector. The locus of the point is a perpendicular bisector. Then locus of the point, locus of points is perpendicular bisector. Okay. Do you understand? Points which are equidistant from two fixed points, then the locus of the points is a perpendicular bisector. So locus means the path or a curve traced by a point under some geometrical condition. Okay. Do you understand? So how to find its equation? First you have to take let P of h comma k, or you can take a P of x comma y be any point on the locus, then you have to establish a relation between h and k using some condition. तो कंडीशन नेगरी तमे h और k भितर गोटे रिलेशन एस्टाब्लिश करिवो. द रिलेशन व्हिच इज ऑब्टेन्ड, ओके, आफ्टर ऑब्टेन्ड द रिलेशन बिटवीन h and k, then you replace h in place of replace x in place of h and y in place of k. h और k भितर जो रिलेशन आसीबो, आसिला परे h जगह तुम x पकेब, k जगह y पकेब. दैट इक्वेशन इज नोन एज लोकस ऑफ इट्स इक्वेशन. से आम कहे इक्वेशन ऑफ इट्स लोकस ना ना कहीं जनरली आम इक्वेशन टाक सब वेरिएबल द्वारा एक्स वाई वेरिएबल एक्सप्रेशन करचे. सो h कमा के लोकस पॉइंट है जो इक्वेशन आसो आम रिप्लेस करवा h जगह x पकेबा k जगह y पकेब नहीं तुम डायरेक्ट एक्स कमा वाई नहीं भी तुम से पॉइंट लोकसटा भी बाहर कर पार. ओके. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू फाइंड द लोकस, हाउ टू फाइंड इक्वेशन ऑफ लोकस. In step 1, let P of h comma k be the locus of a point. P of h comma k be the locus of a point. Okay. Step 2, establish relation between h and k using condition. Okay. Step 3, the relation which is obtained, the relation between h and k, the relation which is obtained, then replace x and y in place of h and k. Okay, and that equation is known as equation of the locus. That is called equation of locus. For example, find equation of locus of a point. Find the equation of locus of a point. Locus of a point which moves such that its distance from origin is equal to its distance from the point 3, minus 2. Okay. So here we find the equation of a locus such that this point distance from origin is equal to its distance from the point 3, minus 2. Okay. So first we take let p of h, k in step 1. What to do? Let p of h, k be the locus of the point, or you can take also p of x, y be the locus of the point. Let p of h, k be the locus of point. You know origin, capital O of 0, 0 be the origin, and capital A of 3, minus 2 be the given point. So what are the condition here? So distance from origin is equal to its distance from the point 3, minus 2. ना नहीं तेणु पी पॉइंटा लोकस पॉइंटा ओरिजिन रु जेतिक डिस्टेंस अच्छी ना कि लोकस पॉइंटा ए पॉइंट रु भी सेतिक डिस्टेंस अच्छी. सो हियर OP इक्वल टू AP. लोकस ऑफ द पॉइंट पी पॉइंटा ओरिजिन रु जेतिक डिस्टेंस रे थिबो पी पॉइंटा ए पॉइंट रु सेम डिस्टेंस रहबो. दैट इज OP इक्वल टू AP. ओके, that implied OP means what? Root over h minus 0 rho square plus k minus 0 rho square equal to AP. AP means so h minus 3 rho square plus k plus 2 rho whole square root over. That implied squaring on both sides. That implied स्क्वायरिंग कले स्क्वायर रूट कैंसल हम तो h स्क्वायर प्लस k स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एटा h स्क्वायर h माइनस 3 रो स्क्वायर प्लस k प्लस 2 रो स्क्वायर. सो h स्क्वायर प्लस 9 माइनस 6h प्लस हियर k स्क्वायर प्लस 4 प्लस 4k. ओके, सो हियर h स्क्वायर कैंसल प्लस k स्क्वायर कैंसल. दैट इम्प्लाइड सो 6h माइनस 4k 6h minus 4k plus 9 plus 4 13, so minus 13 equal to 0. Therefore, locus of the point, now you replace h in place of x and y in place of k. Therefore, equation of locus equation of locus is 6x minus 4y minus 13 equal to 0. This is the equation of locus. So in this way you have to find the equation of the locus. Next we do another question, that is find the locus of a point such that its distance from fixed point alpha comma 0 is equal to its distance from y axis. So here we find the equation of a locus or locus, okay, such that its distance from alpha comma 0 is equal to its distance from y axis, नहीं कि तो p पॉइंट रो आमे लोकस पॉइंटा एमदी थिबो जे अल्फा कमा 0 रु जेति डिस्टेंस रे थिबो लोकस पॉइंटा y एक्सिस रो भी सेति डिस्टेंस रे रहइबो. Suppose you take h comma k be the locus of the point, or you can take directly x comma y be the locus of the point. तेणु तुम h comma k न नहीं डायरेक्ट x comma y भी नहीं पारिबो ना नहीं. अच्छा मैंने बा देखो, suppose p of x comma y be the locus of the point, you can take directly. So this locus point a point alpha comma 0 jeti distance re thibo. Now you know alpha comma 0 lies on which x axis. So alpha comma 0 na x axis upar rahibo, eta hoche x o x dash and this is known as y o y dash. Do you understand? देखो a point suppose here this is alpha comma 0, तो p point आला alpha comma 0 a point p point एडू जति डिस्टेंस रछि a point y axis रु भी सेति डिस्टेंस रहबो, એટલે a point y axis रु केति डिस्टेंस रहबो. देखो एटी पर हमें a point रु y axis प्रति ଗୋଟେ परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा करो. सपोज pb the foot of the perpendicular on y axis, since the coordinate of the point p equal to x comma y, એટલે एटी हबो तमरो एटी x हबो एति होछि y, सो एति गेले केते y हबो. तो b point कोऑर्डिनेट केन हबो 0 comma y, that means pb equal to pa. Okay, pb equal to pa at the given condition. तेणु इमिजियार पॉइंट लोकसटा आम बाहर करिया जो पॉइंटा अल्फा कमा 0 रु जेति डिस्टेंस रहिबो लोकस पॉइंटा y एक्सिस रु सेति डिस्टेंस रहिबो. सो दिस पॉइंट p at what distance from y axis, so naturally it will be what x. तेणु ए पॉइंटा p पॉइंटा y distance or x distance रहिबो. So this one equal to this. Okay, answer first you have to write let p of x comma y be the locus of a point, and capital A of alpha comma 0 be the given point, okay. B dauchi put of the perpendicular on y axis, b of 0 comma y on y axis, be a point on y axis, be the point on y axis, okay. So here given pb equal to pa as per given condition, pb equal to pa, that implied pb means what, root over x minus 0 square plus y minus y square, or you can write pb distance is x nahi equal to pa means root over x minus alpha square plus y minus 0 square, okay. So root over x square equal to ये 0 इला तो root over x minus alpha square plus y square. Now squaring both side, तो squaring both side, तो after squaring कौन होची ना स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल हम तो एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एक्स माइनस आल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर है, दैट इम्प्लाइड एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस आल्फा स्क्वायर माइनस 2x आल्फा प्लस वाई स्क्वायर है, तो प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर कैंसिल है, दैट इम्प्लाइड वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू व्हाट आल्फा स्क्वायर माइनस 2 अल्फा एक्स नहीं कि आम वाई स्क्वायर एपन रख ए दिरा टर्म से पढ़ने जो, दैट इम्प्लाइड वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2 अल्फा बा 2x अल्फा माइनस अल्फा स्क्वायर, ओके. दैट इम्प्लाइड वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू टेक इट अल्फा कॉमन 2x माइनस अल्फा. This is the required equation of the locus so that its distance from alpha comma 0 is equal to its distance from y axis. So in this way तेणु locus बाहर करिया means locus माने गोटे पाथटा गोटे कर्व रो इक्वेशन हम कहूँ locus जो कंडीशन अच्छी से कंडीशन आम एप्लाय करी से इक्वेशन बाहर करिया. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? नेक्स्ट वी डू अनदर क्वेश्चन आल्सो. Locus, if a of 1 comma 2 and b of 2 comma minus 1 are two fixed points, find a point p moves such that area of a triangle PAB is equal to 3, then find the locus of the point P. Okay, then P point locus ta kete? P point amane kon h comma k neba, or you can directly also taking x comma y. Let P of x comma y be the locus of the point. Answer. Let P of x comma y be the locus of a point. Locus of a point. Okay. Such that what are the here given? The triangle area for triangle PAB is equal to 3. First we draw the figure. This is a triangle PAB. Here P of x comma y be the point. We take this one. A point is 1 comma 2 and the coordinate of B is 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma minus 1. Okay. Area of a triangle. Okay. Area of a triangle APB or area of a triangle PAB is equal to 3. That implied area of a triangle means you know half into x into y2 minus y3, that is 2. Let it be considered x1 y1, this one is x2 y2 and third one is x3 y3. तो x into y2 minus y3, तो 2 minus 1 plus 1 आला plus x2 means 1, x2 into y2 minus y3, okay, y2 minus x2 into y3 minus y1, y3 means what? minus 1 minus y आला plus x3 means what? 2, x3 into y1 minus y2, let it be y1, तो y1 minus y2 तो y minus 2 है ना इक्वल टू 3. एटा नंबर x1 y1, एटा x2 y2, एटा x3 y3, लेट इट बी कंसीडर. तो x1 मीन्स x इंटू y1 माइनस y2, 2 माइनस और माइनस 1 प्लस x2 मीन्स 1, y3 माइनस y1, x2 इंटू y3 माइनस y1 प्लस x3 मीन्स 2 into y1 minus y2, y minus 2. Okay, that implied half into देखो एटा 2 से अपन मल्टीप्लाई कर दियो. सो एटा केते होची 2 plus 1 3 हला 3x ये केते होची -1 minus y plus 2y minus 4 equal to 6. That implied 3x plus y and a minus 5 minus 6 equal to 0. That implied 3x plus y minus 11 equal to 0. This is the equation of the locus. तेणु locus माने तुम पॉइंटा सब h कमा k बा x कमा y नब जो कंडीशन देछि से कंडीशन अप्लाई करिवो. अप्लाई कला पोरे जहाँ आसीबो दैट इज नोन एज इक्वेशन ऑफ द locus. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? नेक्स्ट, what do you mean by straight line and its equation? Straight line and its equation. So straight line means you know locus of a point, locus of a point which moves in a fixed direction, in a fixed direction. Okay, so straight line, the line can be determined, it can be determined by given point, 1 point or 1 point and a slope, okay, or by given 2 point or given 2 points, okay, or intercept are the given. So straight line can be determined by given 1 point and a slope or by given 2 points, okay. Now equation of lines, you know this is a coordinate axis x o x dash and this is y o y dash. X axis is a horizontal line and y axis is known as a vertical line. So x axis itself is a line, is a straight line, and its equation is here y equal to 0. So y equal to 0 means x axis and x equal to 0 is known as y axis, okay. So the equation of number 1, equation of x axis is y equal to 0, because y equal to 0 means line which is x axis. Number 2, equation of y axis, okay. Then y axis equation कौन होगा, x equal to 0 is x equal to 0. Equation of the line parallel to x axis, third one is equation of line parallel to x axis. So parallel to x axis means this is a line which is a parallel to x axis, this is also line parallel to x axis, okay. This is also line, this is also line. Suppose its distance from origin एतिर distance होची तमरो 2 थिबो बोला हम लिखि परिया x is equal to 2, okay. So here तो equation of the line, suppose the distance is 2 मन line कोन होची y equal to 2 होला, तो y equal to 2 or its distance is 3, suppose y equal to 3, here y equal to -1 and y equal to -2. So equation of the line parallel to x axis means y equal to 2 or y equal to 3 or y equal to 1/2 anyway. So in generally we take y equal to k, So equation of the line parallel to x axis is y equal to k. If k is positive, then the line above the x axis. If k is negative, then the line below to the x axis, okay. Now next one is equation of the line parallel to y axis. देखो parallel to y axis माने कौन आसियो, एटा m दे आसियो, एटा y axis हैला, तो parallel to y axis. Suppose ए पॉइंट होची तमरा x equal to 1 लाइन ना, एटा होची x equal to 2, एटा होची x equal to -1 and x equal to -2, okay. So equation of the line parallel to y axis means x equal to k. Equation of line parallel to y axis is y equal to k, like that, or you take y equal to d. If equation of the line parallel to y axis is x equal to d. If d is positive, then the line right side to the y axis, and if d is negative, then the line left side to the y axis हला. d टा पॉजिटिव थले y रो राइट साइड रहइबो आ नेगेटिव थले y रो लेफ्ट साइड रे रहइबो ना नहीं. अच्छा, सपोज दिस इज ए कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस, you know this is x o x dash and this is y o y dash. Suppose this point is alpha comma beta, so this line is x equal to alpha. So x equal to alpha means, so equation of the line parallel to y axis and passing through alpha comma beta means x is equal to alpha, okay. So fourth one is equation of a line parallel to y axis देख y axis parallel माने कौन x इक्वल टू d जदि से लाइन अल्फा कमा बीटा दे पास करियो तार x कोणटा केते अल्फा तो x इक्वल टू अल्फा हम सो इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन parallel to y axis is parallel to y axis and passing through alpha comma beta is x equal to alpha. Equation of line parallel to y axis and passing through alpha comma beta is x equal to alpha, and this line parallel to what? X axis parallel to y axis, parallel to x axis and passing through alpha comma beta ले कौन वे लाइन होची y equal to beta लाइन y equal to beta. ओके तो ए लाइन होची तमरो x equal to alpha हो, ए लाइन होची y equal to beta, and this line parallel to x axis and passing through alpha comma beta. Next equation of line parallel to x axis and passing through alpha comma beta is parallel to x axis माने कौन y equal to beta. Okay, do you understand? Equation of the x axis is y equal to 0 and equation of y axis is x equal to 0. So equation of the line parallel to x axis means y equal to k, and equation of the line parallel to y axis is x equal to k, or you can write x equal to d. But the equation of the line parallel to y axis and passing through alpha comma beta is x equal to alpha. Equation of the line parallel to x axis and passing through alpha comma beta is y equal to beta. Okay, next we do one question. For example, equation of the line passing through point 2, 3, 2 and parallel to x axis. So parallel to x axis is, you know, passing through 3, 2 and parallel to x axis. So parallel to x axis means y equal to k. So it y कोणटा केते अछि 2 is y equal to 2. Okay, and parallel to y axis is what? So parallel to y axis माने कौन? Parallel to y axis means x equal to d. तार x कोणटा केते हबो 3 is x equal to 3 हला. Next different forms of a line. Okay, the first one is slope intercept form. So what is the slope intercept form? The slope intercept form, the equation of line in slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c. Slope intercept form, the equation of line in the slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c, where m is slope of line and c is y intercept, and c is y intercept. Okay, prove. तो तो यार आम प्रूव करिया देख दिस इज द कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस here xo x dash and this is known as yo y dash. Now that line intercepted to the y axis at a distance c. तेणु आम लाइन जो ड्र करिया से लाइन कौन कर y axis को c पॉइंट इंटरसेप्ट कर. सो एटा हूँ सी टा हूँ तुम y इंटरसेप्ट है एंड द स्लोप ऑफ द लाइन इज m is the slope of the line means m, you know slope means tan theta, so m equal tan theta. What is theta? Theta is the inclination of a line. जदि theta रा inclination होबो you know slope होची m होची tan theta आउ y intercept होची c तार तो a point होची तुमरो b point नेबा. So the b is the coordinate of on y intercept and its coordinate is 0, c है बी पॉइंट जब आम y एक्सिस ऊपर नेबा एंड इट्स कोऑर्डिनेट इज 0, c बिकॉज इट्स डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ओरिजिन टू b इक्वल टू c द y इंटरसेप्ट. ओके, सो हाउ टू फाइंड इट्स इक्वेशन? तो इट्स इक्वेशन मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द लोकस ऑफ द पॉइंट. ए लाइन रो लोकस आम बाहर करिया. लोकस मीन्स यू टेक एनी पॉइंट ऑन द लोकस, लेट p of x, y be the locus of the point, or you can take a p of x, y be any point on the line. Okay, so b here let p of x, y be any point on the line. Y intercept is c, since c is y intercept, so coordinate of y intercept, so coordinate of y intercept of the line is b of 0, c. We take this point as b. Okay, 0, c. Here slope of this line means m equal to slope of the line, but slope of the line, in that line here 2 points are there. देखो ए लाइन ऊपर दीटा पॉइंट अच्छी, गोटे b अच्छी, गोटे p अच्छी. तो स्लोप ऑफ लाइन bp, तेणु जो लाइन उपर आम दीटा पॉइंट नेले तार स्लोप कौन हम y minus c by x minus 0, but given slope is m. Okay, so a line have only one slope. देखो a method में slope बाहर कर ले by 2 point, but given m is the slope of the line, that means therefore y minus c by x equal to c. That implied y minus c by x equal to m, because m is the slope of the line. So y minus c equal to what? mx. That implied y equal to mx plus c. This is known as equation of the line in intercept form, slope intercept form, where c is the y intercept and m is the slope of the line. Okay, m is the slope of the line. If c is equal to 0, then y equal to mx. So that line must be passing through the origin. जो सी टा 0 हो लाइन टा कौन हो ओरिजिन दे पास कर. ओके, सो नोट है इफ c equal to 0 then y equal to mx, and this line must be passing through the origin, which is passing through origin. Okay, so y equal to mx passing through the origin. If m is positive, then the line makes an angle, then positive direction of x-axis जोड़ा कि लेस देन 90 हम ना ना. इफ m is negative तो line m दि रहिबो. So if m is positive then this line in this way. इफ m is negative means थीटा कौन हम m रो वैल्यू जदि 1 टू लेस हम माने m टा जदि नेगेटिव हम m टा जदि नेगेटिव हम सो m टा नेगेटिव मीन्स थीटा मस्ट बी ऑब्ट्यूज सो थीटा मस्ट बी ऑब्ट्यूज हेले m दि हम m y equal to mx that is y equal to minus x line and this line y equal to plus x हम है जो m टा पॉजिटिव हम m टा जो पॉजिटिव हम सो थीटा मस्ट बी एक्यूट हम थीटा मस्ट बी एक्यूट हेले माने m दी लाइन आसो लाइन m दी आसो ना कि जो m टा नेगेटिव हम m टा नेगेटिव मीन्स थीटा कौन हम ऑब्ट्यूज हम तो थीटा ऑब्ट्यूज है 90 रु ग्रेटर हेले 10 वैल्यू कौन हो नेगेटिव हम तो 10 वैल्यू नेगेटिव हेले लाइन m दी आसो है एटा हूँ y इक्वल टू mx where m is negative and this line y equal to mx where m is positive. That means if c equal to 0 then y equal to mx and this line must be passing through the origin. Okay. Okay. For example, find the equation of a line whose slope is root 3. Find equation of a line whose slope is root 3 and y intercept is 5. Y intercept is 5. You know slope intercept form of the line is y equal to mx plus c. Answer. Here m equal to slope of the line equal to root 3 and c equal to y intercept is 5. So equation of line is y equal to mx plus c. That implied that is y equal to root 3x plus 5. Okay, y equal to root 3x plus 5. Then number 2 is slope point form. So equation of line in slope point form of equation of line. Number 2 तो different form number 2 है slope point form of equation of line. Okay, so slope point form is equation of line passing through x1 comma y1, passing through the point x1 comma y1 and slope is m. Okay, so how to find its equation? Suppose this is the coordinate axis, you know x o x dash and this is y o y dash. So here we find the equation of the line whose slope is m. So slope m means theta is the inclination of the line. So m means tan theta. So theta is the inclination of a line. Suppose this is a line. Its slope is m means theta is the inclination of the line. And this line passing through the point x1 y1. A line को ऊपर देर pass करछि. Suppose this point is x1 comma y1. Now to find its equation. Here y intercept is not given. Here given one point is given and theta is the given. Slope is given. So to find its equation means to find its locus of this point. Here हमें point नेबा locus point x comma y. Let x comma y be the any point on the line. है तो answer let p of x1 comma y1 be any point on the line. Any point on the line. So what is the slope? Here slope of AP equal to what? So y minus y1 by x minus x1. Y coordinate difference y minus y1 by x minus x1. But given slope is m. But given slope is m. That means तो y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to m. Okay. So which is equal to y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is required equation of the line passing through the point x1 y1 and having slope m, and this is known as a slope point form. So the slope point form of equation is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now one question, find equation of line passing through minus 1 2 and makes an angle 60 degree with x axis with positive direction of x axis. Positive direction of x axis. Okay. So positive direction of x axis means here theta. Theta is the inclination of the line. That line makes an angle theta with a positive direction of x axis. Here we write the answer. Here theta equal to 60 degree. So theta equal to 60 degree means x1 comma y1 equal to minus 1 comma 2. So theta 60 degree means what is the slope? So slope होची m equal to what? tan theta. तो tan 60 degree. तो tan 60 equal to what? root 3. Then tan 60 equal to root 3. Equation of the line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. You know y minus y1. So y1 means minus 2. Here this is the x1 and y1. So y minus 2 equal to m. M ना कहते ना root 3 into x minus x1. तो x plus 1 आला. हालांकि that implied y minus 2 equal to root 3x plus root 3. That implied y equal to root 3x plus root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus root 2. This is the required equation of the line passing through the point minus 1 comma 2 and having slope and having. So here theta is the inclination 60 degree. Okay. तेणु गोटे पॉइंट देथियो इंक्लिनेशन देथियो बा स्लोप देथियो मीन्स यू कैन अप्लाई स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म. सपोज y इंटरसेप्ट इज गिवन एंड स्लोप इज गिवन, देन इन सच केस यू हैव टू अप्लाई स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म. स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट और यू कैन अप्लाई वन पॉइंट फॉर्म आल्सो. ओके. 2 points form of equation of a line. Here find the equation of a line. Make it a question. Find the equation of line passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 comma y2. Okay. So how to find its equation? Let it be coordinate axis. Here the equation of the line. Now to find its equation, here 2 points are given. One is p of x1 y1 and other is q of x2 y2. Okay. And this 2 point is x2 y2. It am a point is capital A and B neva. A B. Now you know what is its slope? Slope of AB. So slope of AB equal what? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You know the equation of the line having slope m and passing through x1 y1 is, we know equation of line passing through x1 y1 and slope m and slope m is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, that implied y minus y1 equal to m means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, or by taking equation of the line passing through second point x2 y2 and slope m is, here we write y minus y2 equal to m into x minus x2 तो सेकेंड पॉइंट धरी तुम लाइन इक्वेशन बाहर कर माने सेकेंड पॉइंट पकेब ना और यू कैन राइट ऑल्सो y minus y2 इक्वल टू y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 this is the equation of the line which one is it is also equation of the line फर्स्ट पॉइंट पकई लाइन इक्वेशन एमती बाहर कर सेकेंड लाइन इक्वेशन बाहर कर एमती पकई बोथ आर करेक्ट है एटा भी हो एटा भी हो पारे 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म अच्छी माने फास्ट यू हैव टू डिटरमाइन इट्स स्लोप जेकोसी गोटे पॉइंट नहीं तुम 1 पॉइंट फॉर्मुला अनुसार तुम बाहर कर पार फॉर एग्जांपल फाइंड इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन passing 2 points 3 comma minus 2 and 5 comma 3 and 5 comma 3 okay answer here x1 comma y1 equal to 3 comma minus 2 and x2 comma y2 equal to 5 comma 3 now what is slope slope m equal to y2 minus y1 so y2 means 3 minus of minus 2 by x2 minus x1 5 minus 3 so 3 minus of minus 2 5 by 2 है तो 3 minus of minus 2 5 by 2 है and equation of the line is equation of line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1 that implied y minus y1 जो पॉइंट पकई पार y1 होती 3 y minus 3 equal to 5 by 2 into x minus x1 तो x minus y minus y1 means minus 2 है पहले तो plus 2 है y plus 2 equal to m means 5 by 2 into x minus 3 x minus x1 so that implied you can simplify so it में लिखी पारिया that implied 2y plus 4 equal to 5x minus 15 है तो ये कहते हैं लिखिपर दिस इज 5x minus 2y है 5x minus 2y minus 19 equal to 0 दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन द लाइन पासिंग थ्रू 2 पॉइंट तो 2 पॉइंट अच्छी माने तुम फास्ट स्लोपटा ड्र कर बाहर कर जेकोसी गोटे पॉइंट नहीं तुम इक्वेशनटा बाहर कर ओके नेक्स्ट इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म तो इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन whose x intercept is small a and y intercept is b intercept b. Now this is coordinate axis. Here this line cut to the x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis cut करछि, y-axis cut करछि. Suppose capital A be the point on x-intercept and capital B be the point on y-intercept. Here x-intercept is A and y-intercept is B. So the coordinate of B equal to 0, B and the coordinate of A equal to A, 0. Let capital A be the x-intercept, be the point on x-intercept, be the x-intercept, capital B be the capital B be the point on y-intercept, capital A be the point on x-intercept and capital B be the point on y-intercept. So its coordinate A of A, 0 be the point and B of 0, B. So in that line 2 points are given A and B. So slope of AB, now slope of AB, what is slope of AB? So slope of AB equal to y2 minus y1, so b minus 0 by x2 minus x1, 0 minus a, that is b by a, minus b by a, or you can take any one point formula, equation of a line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, you know. So let it be considered x1 y1, this point is x1 y1 and this point is x2 y2. So y minus y1 means 0 equal to m. So m means minus b by a into x minus x1. So x1 means minus a. Okay, that implied a y cross multiplication, a y equal to minus bx plus ab. Okay, so a bx plus a y equal to ab. Then divide ab. So ab को आम जब divide करवा, we will get bx by ab. So x by bx by ab plus ay by ab equal to 1 है. That implied x by a plus y by b equal to 1, and this is known as intercept form of the line. So equation of the line whose x-intercept is a and y-intercept is b is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay. So suppose we ask a question, what is the equation of the line whose x-intercept is 2 and y-intercept is 5? Then you write this formula, x by 2 plus y by 5 equal to 1. Okay. Now we give some problem using this different form. There are another form also, but in the next class we discuss another form. Okay, now some question for yourself. Number 1, find the equation of a line passing through 1, 2 and equally inclined to the coordinate axis. Equally inclined means theta equal to 45 degree or 135 degree. Then its slope is plus or minus 1. Number 2, find equation line passing through points 3, minus 4 and 2, 7. Number 3, find the equation of line makes an angle 150 degree with positive direction of x-axis and passing through 3, minus 2. Fourth one, find the equation of locus of a point which moves so that its distance from y-axis is double its distance from the point 2, 2. Fifth one, find the locus of a point which moves so that the sum of the squares of its distance from 2 points 2, 0 and minus 2, 0, 2, 0 and minus 2, 0 is 24. Okay. So in the next class we will discuss another concept of a different form of the plane. Okay, thank you.